So guys, recently I got a new iOS update, which is the iOS 14.8 update for my iPhone 11, and this update is around 400 MB for this device, and this size can vary based on the device you are using. And this says this update provides important security update and it is recommended for all users. That means this is just a security update in this iOS 14 series, and I think this might be the last stable update we are receiving in this whole iOS 14 series. After this update, we might see directly the iOS 15 stable version for our eligible devices. So guys, if you have not got this update, then you can check by going to your setting in your device, then tap on general, then go to software update, and you will see this iOS 14.8 update there. So go check it out for this iOS 14.8 update for your device, and guys, definitely update to iOS 14.8 for a better security and overall system stability. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If so, give a like, and guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, then hit that subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any question or doubt, you can ask me directly in the comment section below.